Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, happy Mass Monday, ladies. It is Monday again. I swear it's like Groundhog Day these days. It's like, oh my God, Mass Monday, ladies, Mass Monday, ladies. It's like, I feel like this is happening like really, really quick, right? And so, well, anyway, let's just go with the rhythm. The holidays are coming. We get some time off, so that's the silver lining, right? So, yeah, and we get to see family, and so that's always fun. That is the silver lining of the time just spinning really fast, okay? So, anyway, today what I have for you is this Honey Essence Mask Sheet, and this is something that I usually include in my giveaways if you had won the past previous Mass Monday, ladies. Now I've been shifting a little more to cosmetics and a little of other type of skincare, but this is something that I used to send all the time because I really like it. And so I'm going to go ahead and do this for you because I don't think I have done this for you yet. But also, while I have that slapped on my face, I do have friend mail. Happy friend mail. And this is from Marie Chocolat. And I just love that name, Chocolat. But there's an L at the end. How do you pronounce that? Is it chocolata? So anyway, yeah. So I want to open this too. So, but yeah. In the meanwhile, let me just get ready. So I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I think I'm posting this in the evening. I am actually recording this on a Sunday morning first thing before I put on my makeup because I do want to do a look for you for another video for the week. And so I said, but let me just get this done. And so, yeah, and that's what I'm doing. And if have you noticed this thing is so annoying. I mean, I'm digressing right now, but there's a string and I wear this a lot and it's like always hanging out. I noticed that in my other video from yesterday and I'm like, oh my God, that's annoying. I want to cut it off, but that's how I hang it so it doesn't fall off. So anyway, as I digress, let's go ahead and take a look at this honey mask. And this is a sheet mask and it is made in Korea. And it is by the company Esfolio. Esfolio. You know, I'm not really familiar with that one because, I mean, there's some really popular ones. But this is a Rayon 100% cellulose mask. And this is one that is all in Korean in the back. But there is a little thing here. It says, cleanse the face and apply skin softener. I think they mean toner. Place mask along the facial line. Remove the mask after 10 to 20 minutes. And gently rub the essence onto the face until it's completely absorbed. And so, yeah, it looks pretty good. It does say it is dermatology tested. And it says if you have any reaction, remove it immediately, of course, and consult with the dermatologist. And keep out of direct sunlight and avoid using around the eyes. I always like to give those warnings if there is any. And also, I do not see anything. I know sometimes there's like coconuts and people are allergic to coconuts and, you know, a lot of those things. But I do not see anything like that. In here, there are some fruit extracts, honey extract, but nothing really. Oh, ginseng root extract. That's something that some people are allergic to. So, yep. And so I'll just go ahead and get this on. And it is one of those easy peasy. Let's peel. Oh, okay. Very, very juicy. You saw that, right? It's like, ooh. I hope I didn't get it on my lens. Okay, so this, I'm going to have to kind of like squeeze it out underneath because I don't like it so soft and wet that it's going to like drip on my, you know, on my chest, and that happens. And I'm like, not happy with that. So I'm a bit whiny this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out some, and you can always squeeze it out into the container and later on use what's left in the container, pour it into a small, you know, like a container or so. And I know Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman, she does that. She saves her essence. I just throw it away because I know I'll never use it. I'll put it into a little container and totally forget about it. And, you know, it'll be nothing by the time I get to it. So I don't usually do that, be honest. And I'm a little whiny today, guys, because yesterday, my husband and I think I told you this in one of my other videos, so you probably will see, you would have seen yesterday, is that I went and got my flu shot, my annual flu shot. And usually I feel like this after the flu shot, which is good because it means it's working, okay? When you're feeling a little bit, you know, I'm a little sore, I'm a little bit of maybe a little bit of a low-grade fever, means it's working, so I'm good with that. And my husband's feeling the same way. It depends on the year and how strong the virus is, and so I guess it's one of those years that it's going to be a bad flu season, and so I'm glad I did get that. And here we go. Okay, and they say this is cellulose. You know, I don't know. I don't know how cellulose is supposed to feel, but this feels more like cotton to me. But this is a little bit more difficult to put on. I don't like that part of it. And it is a little bit wide. And the strips are not as wide as I like. You know, you guys know how I like this strip really wide. But it does adhere pretty good. Let me take a look here. I'm hoping it does not slide. It does cover all the way across almost. But I think it would if I could just get it straight. Okay, here we go. Not bad. Not bad. Not something that, you know, I love, put it that way. You guys know, I mean, I don't love some sheet masks, but I do love like the cream masks. I love those. It just, I don't know, it just feels like it does more. Maybe not, but this is really nice if you just want to kick back and relax and do nothing. And this is so nice. This is so refreshing. But it's the reason why I don't like these as much while doing my video is because it's hard for me to talk and I sound funny. And if I start to sound normal, means my sheet mask is peeling off. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open this. And here it is. Her handwriting is just so beautiful. And here's a beautiful patch of flowers, sunflowers. I love that. I love that so much. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and use my little handy dandy tool to open it. And here we go. Let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's Hallmark Expressions card. I love these little cards. They're so pretty. I used to have a box of them to save. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, very cute. It says, Alexis, thank you so much for the giveaway. When love everything. Gorgeous rare beauty palette. Have an awesome week. Best, Mari. Oh, look. With the little butterfly. She put a sticker there. Oh, wait. It's not stuck yet. Yay, look. Beautiful sticker. She knows I like butterflies. There it is. And then it says, choose happiness 100%. Always choose happiness. That's a great sticker. I'll put that somewhere. And then here is a pretty little flower. And you know what? I'm so terrible about naming little flowers. I'm not really sure about what this flower is. There we go. You see, you didn't want to get in focus. I had to chase my little camera. Okay, and oh, this is one of my favorites. Two of my favorites here is a little piglet from Winnie the Pooh, Disney. Oh, so cute. And this is my favorite animal, actually. And I think a lot of people know that. Well, there's two of them. I love llamas. And then the other one is the sloth. So, oh, so cute. I actually collect these. I don't stick them anywhere. I collect them in most parts. And then she sent me a beautiful eye mask. Look at this. And it's by Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. How cute. Look. Aw. And of course I'm holding that upside down. There it is. So very cute. Well, thank you so much, Mari. That was so kind of you. And I will go ahead and stick this on and then save my beautiful stickers. And thank you so much for your kind words. And I'm so glad that you are enjoying your palette that I sent you. And yeah, and please have a great day. So, all right, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish this off screen, and then I'm gonna hop back on and say congratulations to the winner, because I have to pick a winner for this week's Mass Monday giveaway, right? So I will be right back. Let's go to commercial break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are again, Mass Monday ladies, and this is from last week's Mass Monday lady giveaway. And so we will go ahead and get started, because I'm sure you are eager to know who won this week's giveaway. So I did go ahead and populate the YouTube video URL already. I filter for duplicate users, so everybody gets one entry. And I filtered comments based on the word we agreed upon, which is the word October. And so let's go ahead and see how many people actually participated. The button's down here. I mean, they added so many extra boxes that it's like I can't get it on one screen. So let's see how many people were interested. Okay, 33. That is very average for a Mask Monday Lady giveaway. And so I keep saying lady, like in singular. It's ladies, plural. Sorry about that. Still kind of early in the morning here. So, alrighty. Now, let's see. Let's start the raffle and pick that random winner, that lucky winner. Here we go. Spirited Dragonfly. What did she have to say? Congratulations to the winner. Happy Mask Monday, everyone. How did October sneak up on us so quickly, right? Yikes. Have a great week, everyone. Well, thank you so much. And let's go ahead and make sure you are publicly subscribed to me. And that is one of the steps that we go through, as you know. And so we'll go ahead and see what you have here. Oh, I just saw it. There it is. Oh, Modesty. Okay, well, congratulations. And let's go ahead and make sure that you get in touch with me and let me know that you have watched the video and that, send me your address. So Spirited Dragonfly, again, congratulations. I do know your real name, as you have written to me before, but don't know if you want it public. So I'm just going to call you Spirited Dragonfly. So again, congratulations, and let's hop on back over to the main video. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations again, Spirited Dragonfly. So you know what to do. Reach out to me, either Instagram or using my email. Send me your name and your address, and I will go ahead and get your goodies out to you, and you have 48 hours to do that, okay? Alrighty, so what did I think about this mask? Well, it's not bad. It's really, refreshing, and I don't think it does a whole lot as far as any kind of anti-aging or anything, but that's okay, because there are days that I just want to relax and put this on and put a couple of slices of cucumbers on my eyes and call it a day. And so it's pretty good for that. There's no strong fragrance. There is no strong, feeling, how sometimes it's tingly or, kind of like burning. There's none of that. It's nice and relaxing, and it's actually non-sticky. And, one thing I would rather have better is the form of the sheet mask. But that's okay, because it's probably me being a bull in a china shop. But, I would like the strip a little bit thicker, but it's thick enough, okay? It was thick enough, and I'm just being picky. And it was, big enough around. The cutouts actually matched my face. And so that was good. So not bad. And, I'm pretty happy with it. And something like I said, if you want to go ahead and relax with a nice sheet mask, this is good for that. So, yeah, that's that. And I think that's it, guys. And again, congratulations, Spirited Dragonfly. I need to give you a word for next week. And the word for next week would be, let's call it skin. Okay, so next week, which would be, today is the 10th, so skin is the magical word. And so, yep. Alrighty, that's it, my beautiful wildflowers. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. And please, if you're not subscribed and you want to win one of these, you must be subscribed and subscribe publicly. So reach down and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please give me the opportunity to earn your subscription and go back and watch some of my other videos, okay? And so, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Thank you so much again for spending your moments with me, and I want you to have a good week and have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend whenever you're watching this. It does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Guys, I have have to shoot another 2 videos today. Well, that's a big hefty goal, but I haven't even had coffee this morning, so I'm gonna do that. And so I think I might feel better. So I'm glad that I got this actually recorded, because I need to edit. You know, I've been having a lot of problems with my editing software, and so it may take me like a day, you know, so I need to get that done. And plus, actually, I have another video for today that I need to go up, which is today, Sunday, and I recorded it yesterday, but I didn't have the chance to edit it, so I have to get that done this morning as well. And so yeah, it is what it is. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this video, and I have a call with a girlfriend at 10, so I have to time this thing just like perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs, get coffee, run back upstairs, edit this one video, put it to download, record another video, and by that time I think it'd be time for me to have my Zoom call with my girlfriend. So yeah, it is what it is. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Holidays are near. It's coming very fast at us, and I mean, there's just so much product this year too, right? And I did actually pick up some few products that's happening, you know, recently. And even though I'm not the first to show it, what I'm trying to do is trying to use it over time and then let you know the outcomes of it, because it's great the first time you use it. Everything is new. Everything is like a brand new toy. You remember when you were a kid? Yay! And then next thing you know, a week later, it's sitting under your bed. Well, I don't want it to be like that. So I'm actually trying out different things, and I have found some really good finds. But ones that I was really excited about when I first got, but ended up not being that way. So I want to make sure I share that with you so you don't have the same experience. So yeah, and also I want to share with you this new blush. I'm dying to use it. It's by Minori, and this is kind of cool because, you know, my daughter's name is Midori and my mother's name is Noriko. And so it's like Minori, like Midori Noriko. That's the same, but it is an independent company. And I found her, I mean, the owner actually was at the Santana Row yesterday, and she was actually introducing this or, you know, selling this. And so I said, you know, I'm going to pick it up because, I mean, it's really nice. I like it. And you know me, I love supporting independent local people. And so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this and show it. But look, this is so very cute. If you watch this part of it, you get a little bit of a preview of what I'm going to be using. And like I said, it is a natural makeup. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me using natural makeup. So this will be very interesting. Yeah. And just kind of like slap that stuff and go. And her theme, actually, there's a theme on the side of the box I saw. And inspired by minimalism, made for everyday life. And I love that. I'm like, oh, yeah, I like that. I like that. I need time. Give me minimalism. Seems like my life is so complicated all the time. So anyway, yeah. And so I hope you guys are doing well. And I just want to say hi for those of you who do hang out and watch this part. And sometimes when I don't film this part, I feel so, you know, so bad because I know you guys are going to the end, some of you, and looking to see what extra things I'm doing. And you're probably like, oh, it ended. So... So anyway, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much. Thank you for spending the extra moments with me. And you guys know I love you guys from the very bottom of my lip ventricles. And so take care and be safe out there. And keep it positive and look for that silver lining. Mwah. Bye!